Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Cleaning the internal components of your Surface Pro 9 can significantly enhance its performance and lifespan. In this guide, we will walk you through the necessary tools and a detailed step-by-step process to do it safely. Tools required *. 1. Torx T5 screwdriver. This will be used to remove the screws holding the device together. 2. Plastic spudger, a non-conductive tool to help pry open the device without damaging it. 3. Anti-static wrist strap, to prevent any static damage to the internal components. 4. Microfiber cloth, for cleaning surfaces without leaving scratches. 5. Compressed air canister, to blow out dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas. 6. Isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher, for cleaning delicate components. Step-by-step instructions *. 1. Turn off your device *. Begin by completely shutting down your Surface Pro 9. Disconnect it from any power source and peripherals. 2. Prepare your workspace *. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized. Wear an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. 3. Remove the screws *. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel of the Surface Pro 9. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as they can be easy to lose. 4. Pry open the back panel *. Utilize the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at a corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. 5. Inspect the internal components *. Once the back panel is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for dust buildup around the fan and heatsink, as well as any other critical areas that may need attention. 6. Use compressed air *. With the canister of compressed air, blow out any dust and debris from the internal components. Hold the canister upright to avoid any moisture release. Be thorough, especially around the vents and fans. 7. Clean with isopropyl alcohol *. Dampen a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the surfaces of the internal components. This will help remove any stubborn grime or fingerprints. Avoid using too much liquid, as this can cause damage. 8. Reassemble the device *. Carefully align the back panel and press it back into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. 9. Power on your Surface Pro 9 *. Once reassembled, power on your device to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If you find this process daunting or lack the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. With these steps, you can maintain your Surface Pro 9 in optimal condition and enjoy its performance for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.